why you want me to discuss national institution? Why do you want me to discuss? Why you want to make it a subject of political debate? You want me to ignore the Constitution? I shall not do that. When I said yesterday, when I said that we should have respect for national institutions, I do not mean that you cannot criticize me. You can criticize me. I am criticizing myself. You can criticize me, but don't try to lower the dignity of the national institutions. Please, for God's sake, I am requesting you. What is the problem? Problem always arises when there is a clash to seek more powers. I am saying I don't want to have this power. Please, you exercise this power. Where is the question of clash? Problem is, unfortunately, that people, I should not talk about the problem. I can give an advice that anybody and everybody who participate in these debates, they should become themselves familiar with the law, the Constitution and the rules. Why is it necessary for me to discuss national institutions? Something definitely has happened. I'm saying something definitely has happened which has made me to take the decision that I don't want to continue as Chancellor. So something has happened. But I won't discuss that. Why I will not discuss it? Because it involves national institutions. You tell me, if you decide to, you are in media, visual media or print media? Visual media. You do something in the day and then you go home and your conscience pricks you. And you decide, no, I'm not going to continue my job. Then something serious has happened. But propriety, constitutional propriety, must be respected. And that is the reason I do not want to discuss those very, very serious issues. Always remember, conflict, when the conflict comes, when there is a tussle for more power. Here I am not asking for power. I am saying it has become difficult for me to work as Chancellor. Please make some alternative arrangement. Where you are writing, newspapers are writing, there is tug of war, there is conflict. No, there is no conflict. I don't want to have any conflict. I have too many things. You know, most of the time I am traveling all over the country. I don't have time to waste on these things. If we don't want to meet, if we don't want to have respect for our national institutions, good. I don't want to get into this. Yes, you were asking.
Sir, had the university Vice Chancellor given any objection regarding this, regarding giving delegation?
This is exactly what I am saying, that when it is a question of showing respect for your constitutional ideals and institutions, then you do not exercise your right to freedom of speech. Then you, sometime you see something. Anybody here who can translate English into Malayalam? Anybody who can translate English into Malayalam? Can you? Can you? From Malayalam to English. You know, sometimes you see something abnormal happening. Madam, you work for Malayali paper or for English paper?
Malayalam.
Anybody who works for English paper?
Malayalam.
No one. Because I wanted to somebody to explain to you in Malayalam. You see something very serious. How will you say that? I'm asking you. You see something very serious. Very serious, not ordinary serious. Something which it makes you angry, which makes you frustrated, which makes you feel sorry. Then what do? Not necessary that you speak out. You become silent. You are shocked. It happens or it does not happen? It happens sometimes. I am in that state. I am in that state. I can't believe that these things can happen.
Sir.